Okay, we're finally alive, people. Somebody shut the door. Alright, I'll shut the door. Why is it always you guys, because I've seen the videos on YouTube, how come you guys keep, having to have the door shut? Why are you voiced about that? I know, right? What the heck? Get out of here. You left the cat and flushed up. Oh no. Oh no. Guys? Oh! Oh my god. Elmo, get out of the screen. No. Hi. Okay. Anyway, why am I in here? Guys, by the way, that went into the shed which she had, in the other yard area. And she got some toys out of here. Elmo, get out of here. You're gonna start pooping like that. Get out of here. Anyway, Elmo, the shark that's playing behind me that could die soon. The chameleon guy, whoever the heck it is. Get your butt in here. I don't want to be on the screen. Get in the screen, then. I don't want to be in the screen. Good one, cow. Moo moo! Oh, by the way, somebody gave us that. Yeah, see? Oh, and it's made of sand. Someone made it out of sand, which it wasn't the same person. It was made of sand and sparkles. Hold on. See, you can see the sparkles. So, yeah. Bye! Elmo, get out the screen! Alright, what are you doing? By the way, people, the shark's fin is on this camera right now. Go somewhere! That is so funny! Alright? Woohoo! Guys, Vap's back here laughing again. Bye, Vap. Die. What the heck are you throwing at me? Oh, you're hitting the wall, you idiot. Don't call me an idiot. What the heck were you throwing anyway? Oh no. Charles, get in here. I just put some potion in the forever. Charles, come here, please. Yay, beans! Wait a second. 500 years. I just won't live that long. What? Oh, nothing, eat them. Okay. Hey, don't you get flames in my face? Oh my gosh, Tails, that was disgusting! Guys, you know what I did that? What? I was pushing the flip. For how long? Forever? How long does it take to take effect? 500 years. It won't affect me. It'll affect your future. Shut up.